Hey everybody, this is Joe from PocketNow.com showing you a hands-on with the Nexus 1 desktop dock. First thing that we have with the desktop dock is, of course, your AC power cord. This is the US version, so it has the US style prongs. On the other end is your micro USB connector for power. Now it's important to note, do not use a standard USB to micro USB cable and plug this dock into your computer. Why, I don't know, but the instructions are very clear on that. So I'm going to plug this in and then show you the dock over here. This is the dock. Nice little thing. Pretty good looking. Down in the bottom you've got those three little metal dots. Those connect up to the same little metal dots on the bottom of the Nexus 1. On the bottom you've got a grippy surface. On the back you've got an audio connector, takes a standard headphone jack, and then your power port. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in now. And with that we have a powered dock. So we'll just set that right there. Into that we're going to place our Nexus 1, which there are the three dots. Notice down here you've got this micro USB power plug port, but there's no matching port on the bottom of that. That's where those three dots come from, or come into play. So we're going to drop that into place, and you'll notice here that it's going to turn on the device and immediately go over into this desktop dock mode, if you will. It's got a nice big clock, it's got the weather and temperature, and then it's got these little hot buttons down here. We'll show you those in a minute, and the fact that it's plugged in and charging. Up here, if you want to use this on a nightstand, you can do that. Just going to touch that, and you can see it dims the screen. Touch it again, and it comes back to full brightness and restores your icon bar at the top. So getting down into the bottom, you've got your alarm clock. You can see what the alarms are that you have currently set up, if they're turned on, and when the next alarm is going to happen, or if they're turned off. Just like that, adding an alarm is easy as well. We're going to go back. Next, we've got pictures, which just opens up a slideshow and runs through the pictures that you've got on your storage card. I don't have very many good ones, so we'll go back here again. Next is music, and you can pick from anything in your music app. It's easy as that. Last over here is the button to take you back home again. Now you'll notice up here in the status bar, Bluetooth is connected. So if we go in here to settings and take a look at that really fast, because I don't have any Bluetooth devices around, not in the traditional sense anyway, I'm going to go into wireless and settings and then down into Bluetooth, and you'll notice we've got right down here the Nexus 1 desk dock, which is connected to media audio. So using Bluetooth in this dock, the Nexus 1 talks to the dock and it plays all of your stereo music or any of the audio sources that you have, which is nice if you're listening to Pandora or Slacker radio, anything like that. You get the full stereo from your stereo speakers. Now this dock has one flaw, in my opinion. That's when you set the device down in the dock, if you don't get it just right, it's very possible for your device to slide out. This lip isn't all that big, so you've got to set it in just right. Other than that, great little dock. You're going to look at paying right around $45 plus shipping and taxes for it, but it makes a good desktop or nightstand accessory for your Nexus 1.